Creativity isn't just for school, it powers everyday life. Imagination and innovation transform daily activities. Let's explore how creativity influences life beyond academics. Imagination is the dreamer's tool, crafting vivid mental images for perfect weekends and epic parties. This skill enriches both personal and academic life, fueling creativity beyond the classroom. It empowers us to visualize and plan, enhancing our ability to innovate and dream big in everyday scenarios. Idea generation is your secret weapon for everyday challenges. Whether it's packing an overstuffed suitcase or inventing a new route when your path is blocked, problem solving is a key aspect of creativity. This skill empowers you to navigate life's obstacles with innovative solutions, enhancing both personal and academic experiences. Implementation is where creativity becomes tangible. Designing a Halloween costume or crafting a meal from random ingredients showcases practical creativity. This hands-on approach transforms ideas into reality, demonstrating how creativity is not just theoretical, but a vital part of everyday life. At home, creativity shines through room rearrangements and TikTok dances, enhancing personal spaces. In communities, it organizes cleanups and designs event posters, enriching social environments. Everyday creativity transforms our surroundings, making life more vibrant and engaging. Hobbies like crafting music playlists or perfecting basketball trick shots are vibrant creative outlets. They allow us to tell stories and develop unique skills, serving as a playground for creativity. These activities not only enrich our personal lives but also enhance our ability to think creatively in various contexts. Creative thinking is a muscle that strengthens with use, enhancing schoolwork. Those aha moments in life, like fixing a bike, translate to academic success. Practicing creativity outside school makes it stronger inside. Let's explore how everyday creativity can be a powerful tool for academic achievement. List 5 creative activities from your week to see creativity in action. Consider how these skills transfer to schoolwork. For instance, making funny Snapchat filters can enhance understanding of graphic design in information and communication technology class. This challenge highlights everyday creativity, showing how your daily innovations can boost academic success. Start a creative crossovers journal to track how hobbies inspire schoolwork and vice versa. Share stories of unexpected idea connections. This practice enhances awareness of creativity's impact, making you a detective in your own life, uncovering how creativity weaves through every aspect of your day. Teachers, share your personal creativity stories to inspire students. By connecting life experiences with academics, we enhance learning. Rewarding creativity encourages its development, making students more engaged and innovative. This approach not only enriches classroom experiences, but also prepares students for real-world challenges, fostering a lifelong love for learning and creativity. Life hacks like organizing a game collection reveal project management skills, while inventing a secret language with friends shows pattern recognition. Designing custom sneakers? That's design thinking in action. These creative activities demonstrate valuable abilities that can lead to breakthrough projects, showcasing how creativity influences everyday life beyond academics. Creative cross-training is a game changer. Imagine using gaming strategies to tackle homework or art techniques to enhance science notes. This approach not only boosts problem solving, but also sparks innovation. By applying skills across different areas, we unlock new ways to think and create, making everyday tasks more engaging and effective. Everyday creativity, like persuading parents or cooking with leftovers, shows you're already a creativity pro. Let's continue to supercharge your creative potential.